welcome back to my channel. Today is an exceptional haul. I am so excited. I am so happy. I am over the moon. I received my Arcane Society Black Friday purchase, which is the Nightborn Duet from the Crowns of Nyaxia series by Carissa Broadbent. I mean, 100% sure you already know them. They are so loved and so well known now. The Serpent and the Wings of Night and the Ashes and the Star-Cursed King, I already read them. I love them so much. And I cannot believe that I was one of the lucky ones to get their hands on this scratch and dent edition. And yeah, I'm just so happy all over the place. I received this box yesterday and I was itchy. I really wanted to open it, but then it was like, no, I need to open it on camera. I need to record my reaction and I need to unbox it for you guys so you can see them too. So yeah, let's begin with opening these ones first, because I know if I start with this one, I will be distracted by the beauty of them. So yeah, I have a Waterstones here, I have two Blackwells and Amazon, and also a Fairyloot package. Let's start with these first and then we will open the star of the show today. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god! I didn't know if I would get something that would be better than the Arcane box. I cannot believe that this came in. You know, this is the Waterstones Holiday Edition of Fourth Wing. I know that in the US you guys got, let me open it. I'm so happy. Okay, this video is getting better and better. Let me show you. I know you got the black sprayed edges. The US, you are so lucky, but we didn't get any sprayed edges, but Waterstone did also the holiday edition. I couldn't miss out on this gorgeous like red and like all these like wine colors. Absolutely stunning. I will end up having 100 copies of this book, but I don't care. So gorgeous. So beautiful. And we also have Xaden's bonus chapter at the end of this, I believe. Let me see. Yes, here it says includes 2 never before seen bonus chapters, but I don't know. Ooh, and we have end papers. Oh, wait. Okay, nothing here. It's the OG one, but we have some gorgeous end pages, and these are the same, but I want to see bonus content, 2 exclusive chapters from Xaden's point of view in print for the first time ever. We have chapter 9 from Xaden's point of view and chapter 16 from Xaden's point of view. So we get 2 chapters. I thought it was only 1 chapter, but it's 2. I'm so excited that I get to read them. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back and read chapter 9 and chapter 16 from this book first to see what that chapter was about. And then just read chapter 9 and then chapter 9 from Xaden's point of view, and then chapter 16 and then chapter 16 from Xaden's point of view. That's what I'm going to do after I finish filming this. I'm so happy with this edition. Okay, I really do hope you guys got this edition too. It's really beautiful. The reds are stunning in here with the gold. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, let's open the Blackwells. Oh no, it's damaged in here. Okay, this is To Kill a Shadow by Catherine Quinn. But it came in damaged here. I'm so sad. I will ask them to return and get a replacement, but at the same time I'm a bit worried because I returned, what was that book called? I cannot recall. Bring Me Your Midnight. Bring Me Your Midnight was damaged, and I returned it like 2.5 months ago, and I still didn't get the refund for that. They say that they didn't receive it yet. So to be honest, I'm kind of worried if I return it, I will not get the replacement and I will not get it refunded. So I don't know. This is only the first print run. I don't like the quality of this dust jacket. It's not sturdy, but you get these nice purple sprayed edges on the first print run. And I heard great things about this book, and I really want to read it, and I really want to get to have this edition. Okay, this is totally ripped. We'll see. What's inside? To all those who have known the weight of darkness and still shine, you're stronger than you know. And to Q, my own personal son. Aww, that's so sweet. I love that quote. Cicada Shadow is an exciting, fast-paced, romantic fantasy that ends on a hopeful note. However, the story includes elements that might not be suitable for all readers. These are trigger warnings. Ooh! Very cool map. Very, very cool map. I love when they add all the elements. Just beautiful. Proclamation from the King. Syrian. Chapter 1. I really like the formatting of the book. I like when they add small things. Okay, that was To Kill the Shadow. I have another Blackwells, and I hope it's not damaged. Yes, it's not, yes. I got Rabid in the hardback. This is so exciting to me. The minute she announced that the hardback is for sale, is out, I jumped and screamed. Of course, Amazon did not have it, of course. But I found it on Blackwells, and this is Ravens Kennedy and Ivy Asher newest release, and I'm so, so happy. This is just absolutely stunning. Stunning. The quality of the dust jacket and everything is top notch. Beautiful. Look how stunning that is. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I swear to you, Vicious, I'll be the monster your savage side needs. I cannot wait to read this. I watched like all the reels, everything, all the posts of the author. Look at that. And look at that, everything here, even the pages are very high quality. Let me show you the dedication. For all the broken, shattered, rabid ones who still came out on top. Love it. Love it. I'm in love with this book and the formatting and everything. It looks insanely beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm glad that that one is not damaged or anything. Okay, now for the Amazon package. This is my replacement for Nightbane. That's why I'm checking it. I sent for replacement. Amazon is really very good with their refunds and replacement. That's why I love ordering from them. So yeah, I got my replacement. There is nothing wrong with it. So I'm keeping this copy. This is the first print run of Nightbane. We got maps on the end papers. I showed it, I think, before. But It really looks stunning. I want to reread Light Lark. I enjoyed that one. And then jump straight into this one. Can I do a binge read? See inside. The covers of these are really, really stunning. And the US covers, naked covers are really, really gorgeous too. I like those a lot too. Okay. This from Amazon, I don't know what this is. I received the German edition of Iron Flame. This video is just getting better and better. This unboxing is going to be insane. I want to open it, but I'm a bit afraid. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my god. I'm shaking right now. Look how stunning this is. Look how stunning this is. Oh my god. Look at those edges. We got the ribbon. I think the first one doesn't, I mean, I don't care. I'm not going to read them. I cannot read German. But aren't these gorgeous? And they changed the color of the map. Wait. Oh my god, let's see. The naked cover first. You already know who that is. Oh my god. Oh my. I have no words for this. This is stunning. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely. I don't know. I have no words for this. The dragon. Oh, look at them here too. And this is also colored. The hierarchy they have, like inside the school, the war college, and it's the same map at the end. Let's see, there is something else. No, and then you have the book. It's really floppy and nice. This unboxing is turning out to be like a crazy one. Okay, this is so exciting. Gorgeous. I'm going to add it directly to my, but like I love the cover too on this one. I love this too because we didn't get this cover. I think this is the US OG cover, but we didn't get this one. We get like, let me show you. Yeah, we got this cover. And I love this with the flames, but I also love the dragon. But now, this is Waterstones. I'm so happy. Okay. We have a Fairyloot. We have a Fairyloot next. Let's see. Oh my god! This video is just getting better and better by the minute. Oh, Fallen by Carrie Maniscalco. This is the Fairyloot edition. Oh my god. Look at that beauty. Let me show you up close. Look at that beauty. The color scheme. I'm in love. Oh my god. She didn't want Prince Charming. She wanted the demon. Oh, oh, oh. I really need to get to this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. The stenciled edges on this. Beautimous. Beautimous. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. We got patterned end pages. And let's see. Oh, there's a reversible dust jacket. I forgot about the reversible dust jacket. Look at that cover. Look at that foiling. One of the most beautiful editions done by Fairyloot this year. Absolutely, 100%. Absolutely. And it is signed. Oh my god. We have the map here. Gorgeous, gorgeous maps. Yeah, I cannot wait to read this book. I cannot. Now I have 2 copies. I have the Waterstones and I have this one. And the chapters and the formatting of this book is absolutely insane too. I mean, look at it. Look at the inside of the book. I love this. I love this. I hope every book is like this. Stunning, stunning. Chapter headers, and also they change. Sometimes it's keys. I'm in love with this book overall. And okay, are you ready to see the reversible dust jacket? I'm sorry, what? This is Prince Envy, and that her name is Camilla, I believe. I really need to read this. I think I'm flipping the dust jacket. I mean this one with the foiling and everything, it looks stunning too, to be honest. I don't know, but the character art on here. Now I wish I got 2 books so I could display the dust jacket on both sides. Yeah. Stunning. They are absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Putting this back. I can show you this book side by side with the Waterstones exclusive edition. Let me bring it. Where is it? Where? Yes. So you can see what they've done with them. So they totally changed the color scheme. You see. But they are both Both beautiful. And I believe Barnes & Noble also has an exclusive. Okay. Are we ready for the star of the show today? I'm not ready. No, I am ready. I really want to see them. I really want to see them. Okay. The feeling is undescribable. The feeling. At the same time, afraid that they got damaged during shipping. So, I hope not. I don't know what to tell you. Oh my god, they are so gorgeous. First, they are heavy. I knew it when I brought the box. The box is kind of heavy. They are really one of the top qualities you could buy. These books are really heavy together and they are stunning. Let me show you the books together first. We have the Nightborn Duet, The Serpent and the Wings of Night, Carissa Broadbent. And we have here Oria's Swords. Oh my god. Look at the spines. I'm sorry, what? Here we have, there she is. This is what he says to her a lot of times during the book. And it's like his line, Rain's line. And this one says, one honest thing. And that's also a thing that they did in their dialogue. In the second book, oh my god. Okay, the edges. I cannot believe I'm holding these in my hands. I'm... I'm not sure if you've seen them correctly or not. Okay. Now let's see them one by one. So this is the back of, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know the name of the artist for these, but they knocked it out of the park. The foiling, the everything, oh my god, I have no words. These are the pages inside. Look at the foiling. Look at the foiling inside the dust jacket. Okay. Oh! I thought this was the reversible dust jacket because I know, but there was something else in there. Oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. Why did I think this was the reversible dust jacket? I don't know, I got confused. The foiling, everything in here is foiled. This is Rain. Never trust, never yield. Always guard your heart. Oh, these are her father's words. Oh my god. Let's see inside the book. This is what I love about Arcane. This is what I mean when I did my video about the different subscription boxes. You see how Arcane do their books? Absolutely stunning. Everything. There is a design too. I don't know if you can see it. Look at how stunning this is. Look at that. Part 1 dusk. Absolutely gorgeous. Chapter 1. Oh my god. All the chapters are like that. Part 2, full moon. I mean, this is what I mean. Stunning, stunning books inside and out. Let's see the reverse jacket. First of all, the quality of this is insane. This is so sturdy and thick, and oh my god. I'm lost for words. What the hell? Always guard your heart, never trust, never yield. And here we have Oriah. Oh my god. And Rain. I love this too. That's the problem. Oh my, both of them. This too. I mean, I will just keep flipping the dust jackets, but that's not good too. They will get damaged. I think I'm gonna take the character art because I love them, but this also is so stunning. But I think I'm going to flip them because of the character art. But this is also foiled, which is so cool because usually they don't do it when there is character art. They don't do foiling, like you've seen with Throne of the Fallen. Like the character art side is not foiled, but this one is foiled on both sides, which is insane. I love Arcane. Okay, this is the first book. Oh my god. I cannot believe that I was one of the lucky people that got their hands. These sold out. I kid you not, this was one of the fastest checkouts of my life. These sold out in the first 30 seconds, maybe not even 1 minute. It was not even a minute. I kid you not, it was the fastest. I have moved my fingers and I got them, and I cannot believe. And when I got them, I was waiting for the email to say, oh, sorry, I mean, your order has been canceled because sometimes errors do happen, and like they sell more than they have because like people are checking out at the same time. But I was waiting for like the whole day. I was like, please, 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 God, I don't want to receive that email. I'll be so disappointed because I couldn't believe that I was one of the people that got their hands on it, right? But oh my god. I am so happy that I own these. Oh. These are hands down the most gorgeous books that I own. Absolutely stunning. And just to remind you, this is the Scratch and Dent edition, and I don't see anything wrong with them. These are the end pages. Oh my god, look at her. Look at Oriah. I can't. Oh my god. What did it say? I'd spend a lifetime at the tip of your blade and it would have been worth it. Oh my god. This is Rain's line. I love these books. I really want to reread them now. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. And these are also signed. And the formatting changes It's not the same. When I tell you Arcane is the superior choice, it's like so floppy. I'm in love with these. Let's look at the dust jacket. Okay, it is the same, but they flipped the character art. They flipped the illustrations. So now we have Rain on the first page and Uriah at the back of the book. Rain at the front and Uriah at the back. And it was the opposite on the first dust jacket. And here we have the same quote that's on the back of the book. I'd spend a lifetime at the tip of your blade. I think I'm going to flip the dust jackets, to be honest. I love this artwork. I love them so, so much. These are one of the dearest characters to my heart. This was one of the most exciting is not even the word. Thank you so much for joining me during this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. These are absolutely insanely gorgeous. I'm going to cherish them for the rest of my life. Oh my god. I'm just so excited to own these now. They are just ridiculously gorgeous. If you love the video, please subscribe so we can become bookish friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!